Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Deconstruct Breakout Control Serum. 3.3% of potassium azelaic diglycinate. The quantity is 30 ml and the price is 799 rupees. Try to buy this in discounted price. I had got only 20% discount, that is 639 rupees I needed to pay on the Nykaa app. This product is available on the Nykaa, Amazon, Myntra, Smitten and on the Deconstruct website too. This is non-sponsored video. 3.3% of potassium azelaic diglycinate is a superior derivative of azelaic acid, which works on the skin at low concentration. This prevents the acne breakouts on the regular application, reduces the pimple inflammation in 2-3 days, lightens the acne spots in 8 weeks, lightweight formula, cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and SLS-free. First, cleanse the face, then apply the serum on the dry skin. Let it get absorbed. After 2 minutes, proceed with the moisturizer. Then apply the sunscreen in the morning. Yes, you can use both time, AM and the PM routine. Just apply the 2 to 3 drops onto the dry skin. You can also use this as a spot treatment. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive skin. This suits me well. No purging, no irritation, no redness, no itching, burning, nothing happen. Very good results. Fades the dark spots little bit. Didn't lighten the skin. For that purpose we have to use the niacinamide or vitamin C. This one is useful for controlling the breakouts. It's costly. They should give the product in the good amount of discount. I'll not buy this again. Feels too much costly for me. Not that much visible difference to pay this much amount on this product. Consistency is thick, liquidy, get absorbed well, little bit sticky which goes after 2 minutes. Then it feels dry. But of course we proceed with the moisturizer, and you can also give it a try. Product is good, just the cost is quite high. Let me know your thoughts about this product if you have also tried this, and please do let me know which azelaic acid serum or cream you are using or you like the most, or which you didn't like. You can share in the comment section below. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.